everyone. I'm Denise Marshall, Director of Public Works for Northumberland County. We're back here at the Welcome intersection where construction is progressing well as we create a safer place for everyone. We are making noticeable changes to enhance safety for pedestrians, to make it easier for drivers to navigate, ensure accessibility for the farming community, and keep traffic flowing smoothly. Both new pedestrian crossing signs have now been installed and storm infrastructure replacements are complete. The curb and sidewalk installation is ongoing. Sod placement is 75% complete, and construction of the walkway connecting County Road 2 and County Road 74 is underway. Electrical installations and driveway restoration are progressing well, and grinding and grading of the road is next on the schedule. Thank you for your input and for your patience as we build a safer welcome for all.